Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this lesson we will let you know how to use Google Spreadsheets function DETECTLANGUAGE to find out language ISO code, also called two-letter code of language used in cell, and Google Translate function to translate text in cell. Google Translate is inbuilt Google Spreadsheets function. In first argument you put the cell with information you want to translate. Afterwards, in source language, you put in ISO code of original text language, but don't be afraid, if you don't have such an information, you can simply leave it to Google to analyze by using after a source language. And the last one argument is target language. You need to put ISO code of language you want to translate. Also, there might be different needs, so to completely uncover them of language functions in spreadsheet, there is another function which will give you ISO codes of language used in cell. For detect language, you need only one argument, and it's cell with text. That function might be very helpful if you have big amount of data and you want to check or translate only some of them. Also, you may do different combination of those two formulas, or if you already have on your list ISO codes. For that case, you just need to put on source language reference with a cell that contain that code. Tables with countries and language ISO codes you may find in description below. Thanks for watching, stay tuned!